Burger King.
Burger King.
Burger King. What was that?
Apple.
Apple.
Disney.
That sounds country.
Hola, soy Meg, soy de Estados Unidos, pero he vivido en España unos 5 años. He visto un par de vídeos hablando de marcas que pronuncias mal en inglés o algo así. Y bueno, quería hacerlo un poco diferente, porque, hombre, en Estados Unidos no voy a decir a mis amigos tienes que decir Zara en vez de Zara o Real Madrid en vez de Real Madrid. No, porque en Estados Unidos pues lo van a decir así. Igual que en España, pues vamos a decir las marcas como nos suenan natural en español. Así que he pensado que podría ser interesante hablar con una amiga mía de Estados Unidos, una amiga de la infancia, y ver su reacción a cómo pronunciamos las marcas estadounidenses en España. A ver si los entiende y si lo puede decir ella misma. En este canal hablamos de las cosas triviales, pero significativas, que nos unen entre fronteras. Si quieres ver más vídeos míos sugeridos por YouTube, suscríbete al canal. Are you ready?
I hope so.
All right, well, lucky for us, we have Erica's husband, Ryan, who is here to run the slides in the background. Erica's never seen this slide deck before, so she doesn't know what brands are coming.
Vicks Vapor Rub.
Okay. In Spain, we would say Bipaporru.
Bipa Paru.
Okay. Hopefully I'm doing it right. We'll have a real Spaniard say it so we can compare my own. But Vicks, but I don't know if I always hear the S, like Vicks Vaporub.
La R suave. Vicks Vaporub.
Ferry.
Fighty.
Fatty. McDonald's.
McDonald.
McDonald.
Yeah, we just take the S off.
Burger King.
Burger King.
Burger King. What was that?
That's true. Burger King.
Burger King.
It's harsh, yeah.
That
And
was weird.
sometimes we just say el burger, like just the burger.
And burger. No, I need to stop.
It takes practice. It took me a while.
Colgate.
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 That's an easy one, right?
Nike.
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 That's easy, right? There's not even agreement in English. In the UK, they say Nike, but in the US, we say Nike, like the goddess. Hmm?
Levi's.
Levi's.
Levi's, I like that. Levi's.
She's got it.
Disney.
Disney.
Say it again.
Disney.
That sounds country. Disney.
I had never thought about it being country like that. Disney. Yeah.
Google.
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 It's almost like I would think it might be Google, but it's Google, like a mixture.
Starbucks.
This is a tough one. Starbucks.
El Starbucks.
Starbucks.
El Starbucks.
Mm-hmm. In Spain, they always want to put the E in front of an S, like stop.
Dove.
Dobe.
Dove.
That's good, yeah.
Amazon.
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 Yeah, she's got it, man. You'd be fine in Spain.
Netflix.
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 I think you actually did it better than I did. So
No.
Netflix. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Apple.
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 With the apple.
Apple.
Yeah.
YouTube.
So Spaniards can't agree, I don't think. I've heard 2 different ways. So I either hear YouTube or YouTube.
YouTube.
That's your preferred?
That's fun.
So what did you think? Do you feel like you'd be prepared to communicate saying those brands in Spain? Would you remember?
No.
I think,
I would try though.
yes, and that's all that matters. And yeah, by the end, I feel like you had it. You got the flow.
But would Spaniards be offended if I'm trying to?
No.
Like if you butcher it.
Like if I butcher it, yeah.
I don't think so. I think people would appreciate you trying to be understood and pronounce things the way that they would in Spain.
Okay.
But you can let us know in the comments what you think. Would you appreciate it if someone kind of tried to say it, the way that we would in Spain as opposed to the way that it is in English?
Interesting.
Let us know. Pues nada, espero que os haya gustado este ejercicio, viendo las diferencias entre cómo pronunciamos estas marcas de Estados Unidos en inglés versus español. Y nada, si te ha gustado el vídeo, por favor, déjanos el pulgar hacia arriba, que ayuda mucho con el crecimiento del canal. Y nos vemos en el siguiente. ¡Hasta luego!
Hasta luego.